Lord. What's up, you guys? And we're... That look like a butthole. I mean, what does a butthole look like? We're back. New week, new bitch. Period. Alright, let me stop laughing at myself. I'm at work. As you can see, I don't know what these are called. I'm gonna call them Christmas plants. One over there is dead. The two on my desk, they dead. And then we got this beautiful one right here. It's not dead yet. And then we have the one behind me. It's dead. Everything around me is dying. Maybe that's a sign. Right now, I'm 21 years old. Yes. And I still look the same. I just want advice. How do you glow up? Like, I be seeing TikTok people showing when they was a little kid and now they like a totally different person. I have the same face. Maybe a little fatter, but I got the same face. How do I change that? Comment down below, because I really want to know. Also, if you notice, my face is fatter. So, as I said in my last sketch vlog, I've gained a lot of weight. This is actually the heaviest I've ever weighed. Let me demonstrate. And I still don't have a butt. But that's not what we're talking about right now. That's not what we're talking about, okay? But before you guys go ham in the comments, this is not a fat phobic channel, and I don't accept that. So if you want to be blah 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 blah, bye bye. Yeah, I'm working on changing that because I just want muscles. You heard? Look. Ain't nothing happening. And then we got the kitchen jiggle. Gain weight. I'm dating the same dude, Big Mike. And this is what he look like now. Ugly, period. What else? I have the same car. Go kill a girlie. She lasted a long time. She's fucking 22 years old, period. She older than me and she a baddie still. Her queen. There's a picture of her. I don't know if I told you guys yet or before, but I live with my mom again. I'm grown, you heard? I'm grown. Just kidding. I still want you to make me plates when we go to family places. I love you, mama. I still work at the same job with my grandma's. I just do a tutorial. Also still do Uber Eats like a lot. It's not really much that's changed. I'm active on social media, but I don't post that many videos, as you guys could tell. I post some TikToks, but I'm not that into social media anymore. I don't really want to be famous. I be wearing my heart on my sleeve, so I don't think I could take the heat. So I'm gonna stay out the kitchen, you heard? Okay, off topic, but I also watch mad shows. So if you want to follow my Twitter, it's May_Nisha. I'll put it here. I'll review like all the shows I've watched and sometimes movies. If you guys want me to actually review them on here and on there, let me know. Because I binge watch a lot, trust. And if you have any show or movie suggestions that you think I would like, comment down below. Also, I still can't wait. Oh, I don't know. Someone teach me how to wing too, because that will help a lot. Once you get to a certain age, you start opening your eyes and seeing shit you've never seen before. So I don't really talk to a lot of people that I used to talk to. So you guys are going to be seeing that. But yeah, grow up, you learn, and you become better. Not to be a nerd, but I'm basically in my last year of school. Yay, we made it. I didn't even think I was going to make it to 21. But we made it. So I have this semester that's coming up, and then one more after that, hopefully, if I pass all my classes. Then your girl will be a college graduate, you heard? First generation, you heard? Carson born and raised and graduated in Carson, you heard? That's what I'm talking about. With no muscles. Stay tuned for the little random vlogs. So right now, guys, we're heading to get new speakers, because one of my, well, screwdriver door. So stay tuned, and we're gonna have a professional install them.
Yes, sir.
It's gonna blow up.
What's going on, guys? We going in to go get the speakers right now. How you doing? I got a pick-up order for Kamaya.
Gotcha. Do you have the phone number for it?
Yes, I do.
So we got the equipment we need. Now we're about to go get something to eat. Okay, so I'm about to try a fry. Okay. It's good. It's good, yeah.
Asada burrito with everything in it.
Ooh. He gonna give me a bite. What out of 10?
7.
Let me have a slice. Hey. Me personally, I'll give it a good 8. I like that they added beans, but it is kind of dry. Like, it means green sauce. So I got a cheeseburger with everything on it. That's a big ass slice of tomato. I got onions on here. It look like, smell like Thousand Islands. And lettuce.
We got a special too.
Chili cheese fries.
It's a lot of cheese.
I know. It's giving Krabby Patty. Pretty good, but it tastes like a basic burger. Now I'm about to try it. Oh, that is a lot of cheese. I don't know. I'm not a real cheese person, so it's kind of mid. I'll give it a 6. It's broken, rusty, right, my mic?
Mm-hmm.
It's all about what I want at the end of the night. That's what I won't settle for.
Bestie, we're drowning. Oh my god. Could see that, bro, but it looked like the fucking the beach. The beach, Mike.
Stop, it's creepy.
I know. But yeah, that's the LA River, and it's usually like all the way at the bottom. That shit is very much beach. You can literally hear the rain and the wind, and I'm inside my office. And there's no windows, but we're upstairs. Well, guys, guess what? That's the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and turn on those post notifications. New video next week. And sorry if the video's too long, but comment some video ideas or what I should do down below. Thank you.
Well, I got feelings for you. Hope you ain't loving the crew. How many bodies you got? Pray it ain't more than a few.
We're only going here because we keep getting orders from here from Uber Eats. Really, my